Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix YouTube not opening or installing on Android. If you're trying to open up your YouTube for some days now, I'm trying to open up my YouTube and it is just there blank. It's not opening up. I'm going to guide you on how to fix that problem. If it's your first time coming across this channel, please just subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. So in order for you to fix that problem, you need to go to your phone settings, scroll down gently and click on app management. For some app, you're going to be seeing app list and all that. So I'm going to click on app list and you're going to be typing in Google Play services. Okay, let's wait for the apps to load up. So here is a list of apps on my device. I need to type in Google Play services. So here is it. I need to click on that, and here you're going to click on the storage and cache. You can go ahead and clear the cache and clear the storage as well. Then after doing that, you need to restart your device, and after you're done restarting your device, you need to go ahead and install your movie YouTube. So that's it on how you can actually fix that problem. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the end of this video. Please do subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to tell me if you are finding it difficult on the channel. I want to see it to give you guys feedback. See you in the next one. Bye.